What made you think it was me at the end, Bax?
Just the way you're kind of going about things. I don't know.
Okay. I mean, it wasn't
I can
an
explain in more
unreasonable
detail, I guess.
sense, yeah.
LOL.
Eviless, I have a question, which I'm sure you have a perfect innocuous
Oh, we're not playing this
answer
game,
to.
are we?
Can't do our
Oh,
tasks.
No, this is important. Evil,
Wait,
why did you start going to left reactor and then make a 180?
Okay, let's just give her.
180?
No,
There were
Alright,
4
yeah.
people on
started
left
going
reactor,
to left
so that's
people on
probably
left
why.
I go there. I think I saw Echo and Bunny go there too, so I was like, okay, then I'm going right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Evil,
I
we got
figured,
there was
yeah,
like 2
Evil-
people already on.
Yeah,
With
Evil
four.
just exposed herself for having imposter vision because I checked like where Evil was standing and the position from where she doubled back, and the only way she could have seen the other people there would be if she had imposter vision, because imposters can see that far and crewmates can't.
No, because they passed me, Serve. I went up there with Tide. Tide went first. Then I was like, I'm gonna go right.
Yeah,
but
she's
then
telling the
Bunny
truth.
and Echo passed me, so I went
Yeah,
back
I
a
passed
bit
fire when I
to
ran up
check
there.
who passed me.
And
when
then
we got
I
up
ran
there,
over to
Moon
right
was
reactor.
At the moment when she made the double back, like, she only could have seen that far if she had imposter vision.
No, but we're saying that we had ran over top of her to get up there. So she saw us because we ran over top of her, not because her vision was super big.
But then
Like,
why didn't she turn around sooner?
Because I couldn't turn around sooner.
That
Yeah,
doesn't
skip.
make sense.
Let's just skip it. This is such a waste of fun.
Evil, you saw multiple people on the left reactor, and then you turned around to go to the other one. That's what happened, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, because she has imposter vision and she can see
like
things
between the
crewmates can't
opening
see
to
from that far
electrical
away.
and where you do fuel, there I stood there, and they had to pass me.
The place where she turned around was directly on top of the vent. That's where she turned around, and the other people were like all the way up on the gray path.
No, I was before the vent.
Please be aware of talking over each other as well. Just a heads up. Makes it very hard to get info out.
Okay, cool.
So this body is in specimen. I think it's on the store artifacts, or it could be on download. I just came in.
Oh, Bax, that looks so suspicious.
No, it's not me. Hooray can back me up with the timing. I did my decontam wires, and that's why I was coming back up to my third and final set. Because I did temperature, and I saw somebody scan. I'm not going to name them, but did my decontam wires. I know exactly why. That's why I typed it in chat before you said anything, Tide. Because yeah, it looks bad, but I just did my decontam wires.
Okay, so for everyone else, you can choose to believe Bax or not, but I just went in top decontam and Bax was coming out.
That's a fact.
He said he did his
that is
wires
true.
up there.
I did.
Wait, he just
I'll let
came.
you choose if you believe him.
Believe me.
I never believe facts.
We're
I
on.
didn't ask you
We're on
that.
12. We're on
I
12.
didn't say I was voting here. I just said I don't believe you.
Read chat. Hooray can vouch for me. Like this body, like for me to get all the way down there to specimen and all the way back up to top decontam, time doesn't add up because I just left somebody in lab near med bay to do my
I
Moonburn is
see-
clear because he was over in O2 with me.
So, you see,
I
okay,
suggest we
read
And
chat.
then I
throw
Read
them
ran
chat.
both
up
in
to
the lava
electrical.
pit.
Sir, what is it with you
Echoing
and
or
throwing
serve?
people in the lava?
Echoing or serve? Are one of you guys in office recently?
I am up in electrical trying to do wires, but I was down in O2 doing canisters. I saw Moonburn as I was going up into the hallway from O2 to electrical, so it couldn't be him. And Serve, I did see her when I started my wires, like or when I just got up to electrical hallway. She was like in there. I think she went to go fix lights or something. I don't know. I ignored lights because I didn't want to get murdered.
I left serve at office wires maybe 15 seconds
Okay.
ago.
Serve, were you just in office? Because I just saw somebody, like the bottom of somebody's blue pants in office somewhere.
Yes, I have been in
Okay.
office
Okay, so
recently,
serve is
and
clear
I
for
will
this kill.
answer.
Yeah, Retro, you heard Echoing say, yeah, I was over there in O2. Retro was over there as well. I was searching for Retro because I saw him go in there with me. I didn't see where he went, and the lights went out, and I was like, where the heck did he go? So I don't know where he went to, but he was there at one point, so he couldn't have gotten the kill. Don't think.
Oh, they killed Ava first?
Did Ava just join?
Our
Yeah,
first
she just
game,
joined.
that's tragic.
Yeah, it's her
I
first
feel like
game.
this is just some
Sorry,
weird
I
thing.
didn't
Like,
mean
I
to.
swear it's not intentional, but like I see it a lot. Where just that first
That's-
person
yeah.
joins and they get killed.
Yeah, that's happening a lot the last week here. At least.
I honestly think. Here, sorry, dude. Okay, Moonburn. Why we have like a couple seconds? What is your tip for like not like able to actually click buttons on an iPad? Is it Moonburn or Bluebeam? I can't remember who it was.
No, but I've got it. Yeah, I can. I mean, I don't know. I don't have it. Which one are you having trouble with?
Just like I can't. We'll talk about it after this. I just meant like to ask
Okay.
you. So
Your
we'll
kill
talk after.
button.
Oh yeah. Yep. Go ahead.
No, like when because I'm using the little like joystick thing and I can't skip stuff. I have to like switch my settings in
Oh.
order to. Yeah,
you
you
mean
get what I'm
the-
saying? Yeah, because
Yeah,
I find it's. I don't know. We'll talk about it afterwards. I
Yep,
just wanted to
okay.
bring it up so that
Have
it
a
would
single
be
vote for me. Cool.
Sorry.
I told you I wasn't going to vote for you back, so I didn't lie.
I appreciate it.
Let's freaking get a kill, my god.
Of course,
So
y'all killed the girl who had scanned.
I believe this was Hooray I just found. I don't think that was Bax. This is down at admin table, and somebody just ran up to Vitals. I was at Vitals. That just happened.
Bax was the one that was
I
reported.
just
It was
saw
pink.
somebody on Vitals, and I went onto Vitals, and I saw it, and I thought it was it not Bax? But
No, I
don't
think
know.
Bax was the body that was just reported.
It's Bax and not Bunny because Bunny's not pink. Okay, so
Is somewhere
yeah, it's
near
Hooray.
the top of the map. Because I
So
saw Hooray doing download and electrical, and then she went right above storage.
so I have been in specimen for a little bit, but as I was going into specimen, Evil S was coming out through the bottom. Where did you go after I saw you, Evil?
I was about to go to O2, but then lights got called, so I went straight to lights. And I passed Moonburn and Mike.
That and sleep power.
Okay.
I need you to assign all your envoys into the Federation so we can get level 5 before it becomes too late.
Bunny, you got some
I don't really have
background
any.
noise.
I know, but we need that last perk ASAP.
Yeah, Alaska's.
And just so you guys know, I think that I found the murder weapon. There's a knife that's in the freaking repair drill. It's right on the ground, right beside it.
Wait,
Who
is that
lost his
something that's
knife?
always been
I
there?
never noticed that. I don't know. I've never noticed it before, but I looked down. I'm like, that's a freaking knife. That's kind of cool.
I'll
Do we have to
check that
vote
out.
here?
It's on 10, so we don't have to.
Wait, Moonburn. Maybe I'm just getting confused. Which body did you report?
Okay, so I thought, well, it was pink, so I thought it was Hooray there, but it must have been Bax,
You
I guess.
reported.
I'm almost positive it was back.
Yeah, it was Bax's body. It was a bright pink.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
then that means Hooray just died, like just now. Because I saw, as he reported, I had just seen, like not 2 seconds before, I was sitting on vitals, and I had seen the light pink drop. Maybe
That must have been Bax because I had gone up to vitals there. There was one dead, so I figured I'd go up to table. But while I was on
Wait, were you
vitals,
the?
Bax dropped.
That might have been you then.
Retro, are you done your tasks?
Was it longer than that? It felt like no time at all. Because
It wasn't
I
long,
ran
yeah.
up to
It was a
vitals
few
and I ran
seconds.
on top of someone's feet. Like I wasn't paying that much attention. I was trying to figure out I'm trying to figure out what the best method to use this on it thing is. But yeah, regardless. Somebody just like right before it got reported, dropped. And someone ran away. So that makes sense that if you were the person that was on vitals when Bax dropped, and then the person, because he was already dead whenever I was on there. Bax was already dead like one of the pinks was already dead when I got on vitals. Does that make sense? Sorry,
Anybody
that's
end the
hard.
round in lab?
I might have. I'm going to be honest. I was in top decontam, and I can't remember if the doors opened. I want to say they
Okay.
did. Who voted for me? What is this?
Who voted for me?
I voted for you.
Why?
Always retro.
I didn't even vote for you.
Oh, because I said I saw you.
No. I voted
No,
for
no,
Retro
no.
because he was
No,
checking
I
out my
voted
dump
you
truck
a whole
ass.
different reason.
Wow.
Yeah, that Jackbox is pretty fun.
Rest in peace, Evil. You poor thing. She actually, where is everybody before I tell you where the body is?
I'm on cams. I just got off cams.
Just entering right office.
Yeah, Mike's on the other side of the door.
Exiting bottom
And
decon.
I know Retro's going towards electrical.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
going
in
into
Spessy.
storage. I was body checking.
And I think Serv and Bunny are still in lab, unless you guys moved, but that's where I last saw
They
you.
should be.
Okay.
I
Well,
saw
she
Bunny,
is
he's
on
in.
O2 wires. The body's on O2 wires, and I just came down the hallway and had to open both doors to get in there from electrical. because I just did my electrical wires. Now I'm going to go do my O2 wires, and she's literally dead right underneath them. So anyone trying to claim that they went from O2 to electric is full of it, unless they went outside, because they did not come up through the hallway that I was just in.
Who fixed lights?
And anyone who's
I
on the
did.
right side of the map and has been is pretty much clear. That was with somebody, anyways.
Well, there's like four
Anyone
of us.
who just got to the right side of the map, you're sus.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
there
there's
were-
like four.
Come
There's four of
from?
us that should be cleared then.
Yeah, that's gonna
Mike-
help out quite a
Mike,
bit. Then
where'd you come from though?
So I started around in 02, but that was like the first 10 seconds of the game, and then I went up to storage. Lights got turned off. I carried on going to lab because I didn't want to die in electrical. Went to lab, and then yeah, that's where I've been the last like 30 seconds. I did pass Evil going. Evil did go into
Well,
02.
the body
as I
was
coming
laying
out.
down as well, not a fresh kill.
Yeah, so but I was in 02 the first 5-10 seconds of the game, but I never went back. I was always on the right hand side after that.
Retro, where'd you say you were?
Lab, and then I was just leaving, and I was gonna go body check storage, but the door was closed. I saw someone on cams. I saw Mike at the door to lab, but he didn't go in. He like turned back around and then went down. And I saw Bunny in lab when the lights were off. I didn't see anyone else though. But lights were off, so.
So Echo, I last saw you on the wires and electrical. Did you go down to O2 right after that?
Yes, I did, and that's where I found the body. I had to open both doors on my way down, though. That's why it took me a little bit longer.
Okay. Does anyone have vitals info?
But
Yeah,
not
that would be
vitals,
helpful.
but-
I was just about to get to vitals, but then the body got called. I was
Yeah.
opening.
No,
I was-
admin, not vital.
I
only
had
you said-
minor. Wait, no, wait. Who was talking just now?
I said I had just gotten to vitals like a couple seconds ago, so I know it's not super fresh.
Oh, I know. As this was reported, 3 were in lab and 1 was in specimen, and I had just left bottom decon. But other than that, I have no idea. And then I also don't think it's Moonburn now because he just asked me if I was the one that had left bottom decon. But I didn't have time to look left side before this was reported at all.
We have to vote here.
We have to vote, yeah.
Yeah.
Mike,
I
can
know.
you confirm that Retro was in lab?
Oh.
You're kidding me.
Retro should be clear. I don't know
I,
why.
I
Yeah,
even
Retro was
memorized
clear.
my task list.
I
I even
cleared
memorized
Retro.
my task list.
Yeah, I can clear Retro for this. What? Sorry, Retro. That was.
Wasn't he one of the people up in?
Okay.
Nice.
That was Grassy. Okay.
Yeah, no,
Why in
so
the
I-
world did
Good
Retro
work,
get
guys.
I literally
voted
just
out?
walked right up on you guys murdering.
So I
Well,
saw Grassy. So
yeah.
I was like, "Is Grassy an admin?" And I checked. He's on table with a dead body. I'm like, "Okay, time to kill."
Yeah, and I was waiting underneath in office if somebody did come in. So yeah,
Fair,
that's
fair.
perfect. Well done, guys.
Oh yeah.
That was perfect. Good job.